Where'd you go? Hi. Oh. These kitties are taking refuge on the porch this morning. It's raining. They're going, oh. They hang out on the porch in the rain. Good morning, everybody. Kaye here on my homestead. I'm looking at all my footage of the last 5 days, and I am trying to get caught up and get you the story of me here on this place. That's basically what I've been doing since I've been here, is documenting my experience to hopefully inspire you and educate. So let's take a moment. We left off on the 13th of January, and John came the following day. We got a lot done. I did not film. We tried the boiling water on the anthill by the raised bed. You can see that. But the day started out really Beauty and the Beast. Beast and the Beauty. Because I came out, every morning I come out and I just put my hands up and I look at the sky, and it's so beautiful, and I'm so grateful to be here. And the sky was crisscrossed, and that can only be intentional, and it was very disheartening. Take a look. Okay, it's 7 a.m. and I don't live anywhere near an airport, so kind of interesting that I have big crisscross there, big crisscross here. I mean, really? That many opposite directions? And then look at the triangle. Another crisscross pattern there. Then I came in and went inside and saw the most beautiful thing I've ever seen, ever grown. I mean, I can't really take credit for it. It's a red amaryllis, but it just, both stalks bloomed at the same time. There were 8 perfect blooms all at the same time, and of course it was flaming red. Take a look. This is the most beautiful amaryllis I have ever had. It's called a red lion. It looks like possibly some other blooms might come also. There are 8 perfect blooms all at the same time. Stunning. When nothing else is blooming, everything is just gray everywhere. This is putting on a show in the house. There's a skunk out there somewhere. All of a sudden, that whole thing over there disappeared. That white cloud has just disappeared the hill on the other side. Look at that. Wow. And that dog's barking. I bet it's the skunk. Oh, I sure hope my kitties don't engage with that thing. Well, the big storm is coming. I thought we had a big storm the other day, but now we've got an even bigger one on the way, and it's going to be ice and dangerous. Well, look what we have here. That's got to be deer. Yeah, don't you think that's deer tracks? Do you smell deer here? Hey, sniff the soil. BJ, sniff the soil. Do you smell deer? I also smell skunk this morning. Wow, they just walk right through here. Why? Why? Hi, baby. How's your sister doing this morning? I hope she's doing better. And there comes Spot. Hi, baby. And our broken down blueberry. Yeah, he just goes right through. No biggie for Spot. Oh, everything looks so dead. And we're gonna get, did you? No. Come on. All these things need to be covered up with plastic to keep them out. Wow. It's amazing what a cool season. What is that? Oh boy. Then John was here. We attacked the ants.
You ready?
Uh-huh. See if anything happens down. You want to pour some on that too, or?
I was curious to see if it would go down because they have tunnels and everything. I didn't know if it would travel down them or not. I figured the water would drain here. Honestly, is what I thought.
Oh my God! Pour it quick, 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 quick! Oh my gosh!
That made them mad.
Hopefully it made them mad right before they died.
Yeah, no doubt. Those little boogers are everywhere. Quick. Let's see what happens here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, I just dissolved it. Dirt doesn't turn into mud that fast. That's crazy. Look at that. It's like instant mush. I didn't even put that much water on it. And I don't see nothing crawling. Well, there's some.
Oh, I see some down here. But nothing like it was.
That means we should probably come over here and
Do just one little bit, Rita. Want to pour the rest from the inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
I might need another pot. Honestly.
Yeah, I'll go crank one up.
They're not fire ants.
They're not fire ants?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Fire ants are big and bright red. These guys are kind of brown, maroonish looking or something.
Mm-hmm. This is still smoking up here.
Yeah, any ant. You don't want any ants close to your fire.
All right, and then we need to do the corner too, right?
I didn't see. Let me poke around. I didn't see any in there. I don't know if that's
okay.
100% certain if that's.
It could have blown up. Just could be leaves that blown up to the corner.
I see. Is that side undone over there?
Yeah.
Well, I see an ant, but I don't see. Saw one over here, but I mean that's not dirt. They wouldn't make a ant bed out of mulch, would they?
It could. You know, we had a lot of wind, so it could have just blown those leaves.
I don't think that's what that was.
Okay, good. It's still so dark out. It's like 7:30, and the dusk to dawn light is still on. Anyway, I was recommended to do boiling water on the ant hills by one of my viewers. So I thought, well, boiling water is easy and I don't have to deal with anything harsh. So let's see if that works. We're waiting to find out if they come back. But I'm grateful for everybody who gives me tips because I'm experiencing things here that I never experienced in my tiny little micro farm in LA. So anyway, on the 16th also, it snowed for the third time. Oh, it's cold. Okay, let's go. It's getting dark. Hi, baby. Hi. You guys want some food? You're so tall. The night of the 16th, I decided to try my hand at roasting a chicken in my new Lodge cast iron Dutch oven in my fireplace insert. Take a look. Okay, I am going to cook a chicken. This is an organic chicken with carrots, celery. There's onions under here somewhere. I put them in first so they're harder to see down there. Sweet onions and peppercorns, pink Himalayan rock salt, bay leaf, and black garlic. This is from Avery Farm. In my brand new cast iron Dutch oven. Oh, that's heavy. Now that looks right appetizing. It worked. It was so good and so flavorful, and I can't wait to try that again. I didn't really follow it with my camera that much because I thought, well, I want to see if it's really good. I roasted it with bay leaves. Oh my gosh, I used two. You could just do one. An apple and celery and carrots and onion, and the onion was just almost disintegrated. It was lovely. The onion kind of went down, and I put a little water in there, a little oil and a little water, and oh my goodness, it made the absolute best drippings. Oh my goodness, so good. It's making my mouth water thinking about it. I was out in the garage and I said, wait, I have this other bird feeder that we cleaned up and sprayed and put like a coating on it to protect it. I had it here last winter, but it got all moldy and nasty, and I thought I was going to throw it away. I didn't. So I loaded that up and took it back out. So have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. Thank you so much for following my channel. I hope you subscribe and like the video. Share it with your friends. Help the channel grow. And I will see you in the next video. You can hear the birds. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.